What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am back in the shop with Josh, and he showed me something, guys, that blew my mind. You know, if you're looking to get a lift kit on your truck, one thing I can tell you is spend the money. This is a $100,000 truck. This is a Ram Limited, as you can see right there. And I've never seen this maker of a lift ever in my life. So I can already tell you this is a low-grade radius arm upgrade. Now, Fox is known to be one of the best shock makers in the business. Manufacturers use them. Look at this right here. I don't think I've ever seen a shock leak this bad. Now, I don't know how many miles is on this suspension. The truck, I think, has close to 100K miles on it. But look at the leak that you're getting from this shock. Something else that Josh showed me, you guys see right here, look at how this is kind of rubbing. He told me that this radius arm is moving up and down, which means that bushing is probably worn out. And something else to consider too is, you always know a cheap lift when you see these blocks here. I'll be honest, on a Ram truck, it shouldn't be much more money just to get upgraded coils. And if you get the upgraded coils, you'll probably get a better ride with that too over these stock coils on this truck here. Now, if you have the air suspension from the factory, I get it. Using the blocks is pretty much the only way you can go because there's no upgraded bags for a lift on your truck. So understandably, get that. All right, Josh, so they saved the money on the lift, right?
Yeah.
How much did it cost them in the long run?
It's going to cost them a whole other half that lift. Yeah. I can't just go to this company and order, you know, 2 radius arms.
Wow.
For one, I'm not going to support a company who puts out that kind of quality.
Yeah.
So we're going to have to like go with a BDS or a Carly, and we're going to have to buy the whole front half.
Now you can't replace those bushings on those radius arms?
You have to go through the company that made them.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Get those bushings.
I see.
And then by the time we get the bushings, then pay the labor to pop out the bushings and then install the new ones. Buy quality radius arms that have quality bushings in them, so you don't got to do it a third time.
I see. Yeah.
Right. That's not a bushing you can just go and get off the Napa warehouse shelf.
They probably don't make that anymore. That's probably out of business company.
Hey, probably.
Yeah.
I mean, if somebody knows who Z is, let me know so I can leave a bad comment on their Google search or whatever. But, I wouldn't do that. I'm not that kind of guy.
Now, do you like Fox shocks? Did you say that these 2.0s are those the ones that were bad? They upgraded those to a
3.0.
Okay.
Yeah. So they got a big bore 3.0 shock, and I haven't had a whole lot of experience with them yet because so many people are still running these 2.0s. So I'm going to recommend that we either go with a Bilstein or a King.
Okay.
And get rid of those because I used to like the Fox shocks, but after seeing so many of these 2.0s blown out, I can't support that.
Yeah.
It's a significant amount that I've seen blown out.
And both sides are blown?
No, just the passenger.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
well,
the driver's side's not blown out yet, but you got to replace them in pairs.
Oh, I see. Now, do they have Fox shocks out back? Are those blown or?
No.
Oh, that's good. I mean, you know, 1 for 3. That's not bad. Yeah, they look good.
Some oil on this one, but it's not a total blowout yet.
It's about to though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about to go out. And then what was up with this truck too up front?
Black gold.
Black gold?
Black gold. We struck oil here in Texas. Front timing housing's leaking. So we get to pull the cab off and repair that.
So in other words, if someone has a Cummins and it's getting close to 100K miles, they might need to come up here and they might need to start checking, because this truck, you said this truck's never been touched before.
Right.
Never been touched.
You start seeing drips of oil on your driveway, and now you're trying to figure out what's the best way to clean your driveway.
Yeah.
I think your Google search should be, what shop do I take my truck to get it fixed first. After that, then you can go ahead and Google search how to get that mess off your driveway.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty bad. It's leaking a good bit. I wonder if they've been adding oil to the truck.
I don't think it's that bad yet. I bet they've been able to make it between oil changes.
Oh, I see.
I bet it's only probably dripping maybe a quart every 3,000. I've seen them bad enough to coat the whole underside of the truck.
Oh, so when going down the road, it just...
Right.
Wow.
And so we're seeing it significant here. We see a little bit on this cross member.
Oh, okay.
But not terrible. And then you can see some splashes up on the SCR and on the rear housing.
I see.
But it's not terrible yet. So.
Okay. No, well, I appreciate you, brother. This is good stuff. I mean, hey, if you're gonna do a lift, spend the money.
Yeah.
You know, spend the money.
You know, and there are a lot of people who are gonna sit here and argue about this timing housing thing. They say that the CCV filter's plugged up. There are a few occasions where I've seen that gasket blown out, but 9 to 1, I see that gasket on the timing housing sucked in. It has nothing to do with the CCV. I believe, and I'm going to hold strong to this till I die, that the oil pump is creating such a negative vortex right there in the front that it's actually sucking in on that gasket. If it was a plugged CCV filter, then that gasket would be pushed out, but you rarely see that gasket pushed out.
I see.
I think I probably in my career doing these seen 3 pushed out.
I see.
So, yeah.
Thank you, brother.
Who is this? Anybody? Anybody? Anybody?
Yeah. Oh yeah, one last thing. What happened to the tires? They were mentioning on the tires on this side.
Oh, the tires are just, it's both.
Oh.
It's both front tires. They're both really bad. The other side's way worse. And the reason why is because these bushings right here are wore out. And that's changing the caster. And as you turn and go around corners and everything, your caster's way out to lunch, it's going to wear your tires real funny.
And what are they going to hear if they...
You're going to hear some noise. It's going to sound like you've got severe mutters on and you're on pavement. And of course, it's going to vibrate. It's going to vibrate because you don't have a smooth contact of tire to the ground.
Gotcha. Thank you, brother. You're the best, man.
Yeah, all the time, buddy. Thank you.
I found those radius arms here. It looks like they're Zone Off-Road. I've never heard of them before. It does say currently unavailable here on Amazon. Let me see. Actually, hold on. Do they have any ratings on these? I wouldn't mind seeing if anyone else. Nope, I don't see like any reviews for these. Okay, so that's no big deal. But let's just look up Zone Radius Arms. And it looks like Jacket. I think Jacket's out here in Utah. I think I bought stuff for my Chevy truck from them actually. Oh, but you see that right there? Wow, I understand why people would choose Zone Radius Arms because they're only $377. No ratings on them, by the way. Like normally you'll see like some ratings, like people will say great radius arm, blah blah blah. But if you're trying to build a cheap suspension kit for your truck, I can understand guys in high school, like hey, guys that don't make a lot of money. This is the perfect upgrade for you, especially if you have an old truck. I understand, but if you have a $100,000 Ram truck, I'm just being honest here, go with the Carly. I've never heard anyone complain about Carly suspension. But I will admit, though, I will be honest, I did not know they were that expensive. That's a lot of money for these radius arms, guys. And you got to pay to play. Now, Josh and I are not trying to throw any shade at any company. I just want to make that point. But here's what I'll tell you. If you're someone who's looking to build a truck, it's a pavement princess, it's not going to see any off-road, and you're probably not going to drive much more than 10,000 miles a year, by all means, you can probably cheap out and get those suspension kits. But if you're someone who's planning on going off-road and you drive 20,000 miles a year, or probably just anything over 10,000, I would probably consider spending a little bit extra cash or just saving up for a better suspension kit. Just my opinion. Now, I got to say thank you to you guys. You guys have been supporting the heck out of me. I just spoke with Tanner at Insane Diesel. He said between Josh and I, we have cleaned him out for oil and fuel additive. Thank you guys so much. Now I'm sure some of you guys saw the video that I did with my Banks oil pan install. I did have my oil bypass feed into that, and yes, that worked out perfectly. I also mounted my bypass on the frame. I wanted to mount it here, but I heard through the grapevine that someone is coming out with another CCV. I can't say who it is, but yes, I'm sure you guys can guess who it is, and I'm gonna wait until they have theirs. And I'm probably gonna ask, hey, can you guys do a catch can too, just because that's something else I'm really considering. I don't want that junk back in my engine from the CCV. So stay tuned. My goal here is to bulletproof this truck and keep it and put some miles on it. So I really want to see how well this truck does long term, and to see if these upgrades will help. I mean, the cold air intake, the type of dust that is in the air here in Utah, and obviously the soot from your diesel, that oil bypass is going to help fix a lot of that stuff on this truck. So just stay tuned. Got a video coming hopefully this week. I haven't filmed it yet, but my oil bypass is already on here from Insane Diesel. Again, promo code for that and for Banks. By the way, if you're looking at used Ram trucks, be sure to check that Timing House cover. You didn't hear that from me though. And last thing, I just got done lowering the Corvette. Got a video coming this week on that too. I did it by myself, guys. You should be proud. It took me all day to do it because I was doing a lot of other stuff, but yes, exciting things. Thanks for supporting the channel. See you guys soon.